What's up, YouTube? This is Man vs. Gadget, and today I have an unboxing of the bloody G500 Combat Gaming Headset powered by A4Tech. Here's a quick look at the box and the features of it. It has memory foam headband or headlining, 40mm Neodymium Magnet speakers. Has a adjustable reclining microphone. It has an adapter to work with the PC, 4-pin plug, flat cable to prevent tangling. It looks like the ear cups are adjustable as well, and then the headband is adjustable. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So here's the headset itself. The ear cups do swivel a little bit. The microphone is retractable. Kind of nice feature. So the plug is not detachable. It's a flat cable. There's 3 rings, which mean it's a 4-pin plug, stereo and microphone. And here's the adapter for your PC. If your PC doesn't have a 4-pin plug, you would have your microphone and your stereo cables. So that way you could use this on your smartphone or your tablet or your MacBook straight like this. And the cable is pretty long, so you could put your phone in your pocket and listen. Here's the microphone, or excuse me, the for the volume, I suppose. And then if you want to use it on your PC, it's long enough for it to connect underneath your desk or your table. Headband is pretty soft, has decent amount of cushion here. The bloody handprint logo on the top. Bloody logo on the side, kind of got my fingerprints smudged on there. Has a nice unique design to it on the outside, although the inside it's pretty circular. Even the cushion, this area is cushioned from the speakers. Looks like it's a in-ear headphone. Your ears should fit, hopefully, inside. And it has a nice, probably a mid memory foam cushion. Pretty soft. It's pretty lightweight as well. Looks pretty sturdy. It's pretty nice headset actually. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and try these out, and we'll be doing a review in a couple of weeks on it, a full review, and I'll let you know how it sounds. So there you go, guys. Thanks.